Experimental purification of cattle and pig waste by Vortex Layer Generation System. We have run purification of pig and cattle fishes from Colibacillus, Proteus, Streptococcus, Staphylococcus, Bacteroides, and helminthes. The process was performed in a VEFS 100 unit, a laboratory scale system. 500-gram samples of cow and pig fishes were used in the experiment, divided into 250-gram portions. Samples 1P and 2P, pig, 1C and 2C, cow. The experiment was performed in 2 stages, increasing sample processing time. For all samples, 250 grams of fishes were placed into the reactor with 200 grams of ferromagnetic elements, diameter 3 mm, length 18 mm SH15 steel. Sample process and durations were 2 and 5 minutes for the first and the second samples respectively. According to the report prepared by the Zoohygiene and Veterinary Support of Process in Hog Production, after processing of the first sample for 2 minutes, the percentage of helminthes dropped by 31%, Colibacillus by 65%, Proteus by 70%, anaerobic by 27%, Staphylococcus by 80%, while Bacteroides were completely removed. After processing of the second sample for 5 minutes, the percentage of helminthes dropped by 53%, Colibacillus by 94%, anaerobic by 91%, Staphylococcus by 80%, while Bacteroides were completely removed. To confirm the results, we will run additional tests on lab mice, adding an extract of the process samples into their water. In 5 days after contamination, their feces will be submitted to laboratory analysis.